Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you fix Playables not showing on YouTube. So if that's the problem you're facing, follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. First, let's go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store. Since we're going to be using the app, go ahead and make sure the app is updated. So search for it from here, make sure it is updated to the latest version or at least have one of the newer versions to ensure everything works properly in this process and to ensure the issue is not an update issue. Go ahead and open YouTube now, and then in the top or the top left you'll find this new explore icon. Go ahead and tap on it. From this menu that pops up from the left of the screen, you should find Playables here. Now if you cannot find the Playables here, that means maybe you're not subscribed to Premium, because Playables is a service only exclusive to Premium YouTube users. So if you're not subscribed, you shouldn't expect to see it here. Now also, it could be a location issue. If you're subscribed and you cannot see it, it should be a location issue. So that should be fixed using a VPN. Try multiple VPNs because some VPNs don't work with YouTube. Now, if you use a VPN and Playables pop up here and you're also a premium subscriber, that means the issue was your location. If it still doesn't show up, what you can do is go to your browser and just go to the official link of Playables. Basically, it is youtube.com/playables. Just like that, you should find the link here, and probably you can access the Playables from this website, or you can just find the links to the Playables externally and try to access them like that. That should fix the problem. If that still doesn't fix your problem and you're sure that you're subscribed to Premium and also your subscription is still valid, and also the problem is not your location, you can go to YouTube support and just contact their support and tell them about your issue, and they should get back to you shortly. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.